Neuromorphic computing is one of those technologies that is advancing extremely rapidly and will potentially have a huge impact on the future of AI as well as robotics, in that it mimics the architecture of the brain and has to do with bridging the gap between information processing at the biological level with the machine intelligence type of level. And if you're not familiar with it, I'd like to read part of the book that talks about neuromorphic computing. This is part of chapter 3, where we talk about analog, digital, and hybrid computing, and neuromorphic computing is part of the analog computing. Okay, so the title of the section is Neuromorphic Computing, Mimicking the Brain Architecture. One technology that stands out for its potential to bridge the gap between biological and machine intelligence is neuromorphic computing. Unlike conventional digital computing, which processes information in binary ones and zeros, neuromorphic computing seeks to mimic the brain's structure and processes using circuits designed to emulate neurons and synapses. This architecture allows neuromorphic systems to operate in a more brain-like manner, excelling in tasks that require pattern recognition, learning, and adaptability. Neuromorphic computing represents a paradigm shift in how we think about processing information, inspired by the brain's efficient use of energy and its ability to handle vast amount of parallel information. Neuromorphic chips are designed are designed to replicate the spiking nature of neurons. This means that instead of constantly being on or off, as in traditional computing, neuromorphic chips are event-driven. They activate only when signals are transmitted, much like neurons firing in response to stimuli. This architecture offers significant energy savings and computational efficiency, making it ideal for future AI systems such as AGI and ASI, as well as robotics that need to process biosignals and complex adaptive inputs in real time. The title of the next section in this chapter is The Biological Inspiration Behind Neuromorphic Computing. The brain's architecture is incredibly efficient. Neurons, the brain's building blocks, are highly specialized cells that communicate through electrical impulses called action potentials. These spikes in electrical activity allow neurons to communicate across a vast amount of networks in parallel, leading to the brain's unparalleled capacity for learning, adapting, and recognizing patterns. Neuromorphic computing aims to recreate this spiking neural network behavior, allowing machines to think and learn in a way that mirrors the brain. Neuromorphic chips, like Intel's Loihi and IBM's True North, are built using architectures that imitate the neurons and synapses of the brain. They process information in a massively parallel fashion, enabling rapid pattern recognition and decision making. This type of processing is particularly beneficial for tasks like interpreting images, for example, or processing natural languages, or even reacting to complex real-world environments, especially capabilities for the next generations of AI and humanoid robots. The next section is titled Neuromorphic Computing and Biosignals. One of the key advantages of neuromorphic computing is its ability to process and interpret biosignals in a more natural manner, much like the human brain. Traditional computing architecture struggles with the complexity and variability of biological signals, which often involve intricate, non-linear patterns. Neuromorphic systems, however, are inherently suited to handling these type of inputs. For example, when integrated with biowearables devices that capture real-time neural oscillations or brain waves, neuromorphic systems can process this data in a way that mirrors how the brain processes its own signals. This opens up new possibilities for human-machine interfaces where neuromorphic AI can become more attuned to human emotional states, for example, cognitive functions, and even subconscious processes based on biosignals. In this future, neuromorphic systems could operate alongside the human brain as extensions of its capacity to think, learn, and adapt. Another section of the book is called Neuromorphic Computing in Robotics. As humanoid robots continue to evolve, neuromorphic computing will likely play a role in making these machines more adaptive, energy efficient, and capable of interacting with humans in a more natural way. Robots equipped with neuromorphic chips will not only be able to see and hear their environments, but also process this information in real time, learning from their interactions and adapting to new situations, much like a human would. Moreover, neuromorphic systems could be integrated with wearables that measure biosignals, allowing robots to sense and respond to human emotions and physical states in a way that traditional AI systems struggles to achieve. This would bring us closer to a world where robots can truly understand and respond to human needs, not just a pre-programmed algorithmic way, but by interpreting biosignals as rich, adaptive data systems and streams. And the last section I'd like to read is called The Future of Neuromorphic AI. In the long term, neuromorphic computing may enable the creation of machines that are not only capable of advanced cognitive tasks, but also intelligent in a way that mirrors human thought processes. As we continue to unlock the mysteries of biological intelligence, how neurons and cells interact to create consciousness, memory, and emotions, for example, neuromorphic systems will provide a powerful tool for replicating these processes in machines. This potential makes neuromorphic computing a critical component of the future of AI, such as AGI and ASI landscape, particularly as we push towards more biologically integrated AI systems. Neuromorphic AI offers not just faster or more efficient machines, but machines that can think, learn, and adapt in ways that are inspired by and deeply connected to the intelligence found in the living organisms. Okay, so that's all I had for today. Wanted to definitely emphasize on this cutting-edge technology that will be more and more used in the future of AI, such as AGI and ASI, as well as humanoid robotics. And let me know what you think, and also let me know if there are any other parts of the book that you would like me to read for you. The goal here is to do a pre-publishing mid-November after the elections, and then to do the final launch December 1st on Amazon, of course, and that way you'll be able to access it directly beginning in December. Thanks for watching.